What's up, Nomies? So I've had a ton of you ask about the raft settings that I use for my slugs and all of my prints because of how satisfying they come off. Just like that. So today in our video, we're going to cover that because everybody wants these nice, satisfying... I wonder how that's going to sound on this mic. We'll do one more. All right, so let's get to business. We're going to go over those raft settings, and the biggest secret that I can tell you is it's all in your air gap. So let's go to the larger screen here, and I'll kind of cover some of these. Here we go. Okay, so for this, we're using Ultimaker Cura version 4.11. And let's scroll down to, this is for my layer height 0.16 settings. So if you'd like to use my same settings for this, I've got a video on that. It's the only other one on here besides this one at this time. So if you want it to work exactly with the settings that I'm using, I've got those available as well. So we're going to scroll down to rafts, or bed adhesion is where it's at, build plate adhesion. So I've got the raft, and my margins and smoothing are 5 millimeters. The air gap right here, this is the big one. This is 0.2 millimeters. I run 2 raft top layers. I run the raft top layers thickness at the exact same thickness that I run my quality, so 0.16 millimeters. My top line width and my top spacing is 0.4. Raft middle thickness is 0.16. Middle line width is 0.8. Middle spacing is 1. My base thickness is 0.192. Let's see. My baseline width is also 0.8. Line spacing 1.6. I printed at 15 millimeters per second. Now you could probably print this a little faster. This does take a lot of time, but that's what I use. So it's just what works for me. I mean, you could probably bump it up to like 20, 25, and you'd probably be fine. But just for the sake of this video, that's what I use. My raft print acceleration is 500 millimeters per second squared. Raft print jerk is 20, and my fan speed is 0. So that's pretty much it. Those are the raft settings. I'm going to cover some more videos here soon in the future, but these combined with my settings in the previous video should get you some pretty good prints. I run these on my Ender 3 V2, both of them, and my Ender 5 Plus, and these settings work really good. My Voxelab Aquila X2, the rafts don't come off as nicely, and I don't know why. So results may vary from printer to printer, but if you're running a Creality based printer, it seems to work really well. So I hope this video helps. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to get a tutorial on, or anything you'd like to get my opinion on, and happy printing. Let's pull one more off for good measure. Look at that. Everyone wants this. This is the most satisfying thing. Look at this. A whole snake in just a few seconds right off the raft. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow for more. I'm going to be going live on here soon as well. I'm transferring all my stuff over to go live on YouTube. That's the setup you're seeing now. And we'll see you in the next one.